So if we're asked for the geometric mean between 5 and 6, these are the two numbers we want the geometric mean of. The geometric mean, when we set up our proportion, what is the geometric mean between 5 and 6? The geometric mean goes in two places, and the other numbers go in the other two places, okay? So whenever you see the word geometric mean, whatever is the geometric mean goes in two places. Okay, that's going to come up in a minute. So when I cross multiply, I get 30 equals x squared. So to leave the x alone, use square root both sides, and you get x equals 5 point something. What is the square root of 30?
How do you square root?
5.47. It's actually 5.48 because it rounds to an 8. That 7 after the 7 makes the first 7 and 8. You see it? Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
So this one, you would still put the x in two places. And then the 2 root 2 over 6 and the 5 root 2 over 6. And I like putting those in parentheses because they're ugly. So you're going to multiply 2 root 2 over 6 by 5 root 2 over 6 equals x squared. Put it all in the calculator and hit math enter, enter, and it should give you 10 over 5. Oh, no. It should give you 5/9. All right, so now we have 5/9 equals x squared. Well, the x isn't alone yet, so we have to square root the 5/9. So we hit second square root of second answer, and we get
0.745.
Yep, x equals 0.75. Root 12 is the geometric mean between x and y. Find x if y equals root 3. All right, so these are word problems, and you guys freak out when you see a word problem, right? But who's the geometric mean? He goes in two places. Whoever the geometric mean is goes kitty corner in two places, across from each other. Between x and root 3, because the y is the root 3. Everybody get that? So when I cross multiply root 12 and root 12, I get 12.
Really?
It is. Any radical times itself equals the guy inside the hood. Equals, he doesn't believe me, x root 3. And then to find x, you just divide by root 3. And it'll give you a decimal. Let's see what it is. So x equals 6.93. Everybody get it?